welcome to my blog. Well, we're here on a bit of a windy mixed day, but at least it's sunny and dry at the moment. I've got some bits that I brought back from the BB202 and my intention was to bring them back in the trailer, but unfortunately when I went to put it on, my tow bar semi-collapsed on me. I didn't realise, but at the back of it is completely rusted through. It's pretty old now, the vehicle's getting on in years, and I couldn't trail anything with this. The whole thing started to collapse. So what I've done, I bought another one and you can see me fit that. So I got this off of eBay. Wasn't sure what it was like, but I thought, well, I'll give it a go. Plates, nuts and bolts. Two substantial cheek plates, towbar, protector. In the box here, it's like a mounting plate, some screws and bits and pieces, and the electrical cable, and the main part, the replacement. Now it's a question of removing these cheek plates, which are pretty rusted on there, so we'll see if we can undo them first with a standard spanner. Toolbox which I've had for some time, original Draper tools. I think I bought these when I was about 16, I think I recall. 12-point versions, 6-point there. Sockets I picked up over the years, but it was just a basic, I think 18-piece socket set with ratchet. The ratchet's gone, it doesn't hold anything on now. Put a socket on and it just falls off. So that's no good. So I've started to treat myself to a few new tools. Got myself a new Tang ratchet. Looking forward to that. And a new set too. The sockets, 6-point, which grips the bolt much better. Over the coming vlogs you'll see me buy new tools, different things. You can see how well they perform. We have snow on the mountain, so it's still pretty cold. Bar on this side first, see if I can just loosen off with a long bar. We can get this one here. And there's the nut. And there she comes. A magnetic probe to pull out the nut. Here's the earthing point. I'm going to take that off. Just grind the surface and give a proper earth. The next one as well. And the next one. And on the next one as well. That's the last of the bolts on this side. There's the new plate, again nice and thick, looks about 10mm. There's the old one. Matching up the holes. Yep. This plate here, and I will put it down the tubing chassis, locate the hole, and flat washer, and my lock. So now I've got my angle grinder, I put a flapper wheel on there, and I'm just going to grind off to make a good earth contact on the other side. So what I've done there is just grind down for a good earth and just clear off some of the surface rust so the plate will sit flatter. Two plates bolted on loosely. Come back to these properly later on. Time to tighten up those bolts to the correct torque setting. Final nut. Right. Top one in there. Backing plate in there. Serrated washer. Nut. 215 newtons. There we go. That's the main part of the tow bar on. Next is the electrics. I'm going to utilise the existing wire and connector. That's a simple bracket to add, nothing much to show. The wind's got up now, it's just about to rain, so thanks for watching, bye for now.